मतलब हम मिस्टेक्स क्या कर रहे हैं. जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल्स रखता हूँ, कल शेयर की थी अपने ऑडियंस के साथ, कि मेरे चाचा बचपन में मुझे ले गए सतून के साथ. ये सतून देख रहे हैं सारे, ये दिस पिलर ह्यूज, and this pencil in comparison is very short, right? Yeah, so he took this pencil next to a pillar and he says, देखो अपनी जो गलती होती है ना वो बिल्कुल एक तिनके की मानत लगती है या एक पेंसिल की मानत लगती है, but the same mistake by somebody else looks like a pillar. So we don't realize the mistakes we are making. दूसरों की मिस्टेक्स हमें नजर आती हैं, इसलिए हम फिंगर्स पॉइंट करते हैं दूसरों की तरफ, लेकिन अपना पता नहीं चलता. तो सेल्फ असेसमेंट के अंदर हमें सबसे बड़ा मसला क्या है कि हमारी अपनी सेल्फ एनालिसिस किसकी वजह से रुकती है, हमारी जजमेंट किस लिए हैम्पर होती है, बिकॉज ऑफ आवर ईगो. ईगो इज अ डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म ऑफ आवर इनसिक्योरिटी. लॉजिक हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं उसको लाने के लिए. सो some people who are not open to feedback and they don't do any self analysis, वो तो बिल्कुल यहीं फंसे रहेंगे भी जिंदगी के अंदर, और तो क्या आगे निकलेंगे कोई नहीं. All right, you can link this with this chart also. All right, at the lower level. So let's say somebody gives me a feedback, taking the example of communication skills. Kasib, you need to work on your communication skills. So as soon as I become aware, I become conscious of my incompetence. Now I have two choices. I accept it or I reject it. If I reject it, this becomes a barrier. If I accept it, then I move higher. All right? But majority of the people, the stronger your mind is, the more intelligent you are. Watch out, please. The more intelligent you are, the stronger will be the denial mechanism. Rejection mechanism. क्या होता है हमारा डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म? यानी मैं तो ऐसा नहीं हूं, तो मेरी तो एक लॉजिक आती है कि नहीं के जी कहानी कि नहीं, दूसरा मुझे जानता नहीं है या मुझे पता नहीं किसी का, तो वो एक हमारी एक डिनायल मैकेनिज्म आया था. सो डिनायल इज अ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग मैकेनिज्म ओवर हियर व्हेन पीपल बिकम अवेयर ऑफ देयर इनकॉम्पिटेंस, व्हेन समबडी टेल्स देम यार दिस इज व्हाट यू नीड टू इंप्रूव. Okay, so let's say I am a progressive individual and I sort of like listen to people and I want to improve myself for the future and I want to keep learning myself and I want to keep evolving and keep moving. So as soon as I become conscious of this, I say, okay, how am I going to improve myself? So what's the next stage? The next stage is that I consciously make an effort to become competent in my incompetence area. So what I'm doing is I'm converting my incompetence to this. So in this case, we're talking about what? Communication skills. So let's say I go and take courses on communication, I read books on communication, and I consciously make a decision कि यार मैंने जो है ना अपनी एक वीकनेस को मैंने स्ट्रेंथ में कन्वर्ट करना है, ठीक है, और मैं इसको फॉलो करता हूं ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. इफ आई गिव अप टू सून, देन आई गो बैक डाउन हियर, देन आई गो बैक अप अगेन, then I go back down, then I go back up. So people keep moving in this area. They are conscious of their weaknesses, they try to improve it, but they give up. They're not consistent. Consistency lack करते हैं उस चीज के अंदर. So you have to follow this for a certain period of time. All right. In the spiritual world, this is known as Kirika. You have to follow something for 21 days to form a new habit, or you sort of like establish. If you want to establish this habit for about for life, then you follow this for about 40 days. All right. So you're familiar with this, Farhan. Very nice. Okay. चिल्ला काटेंगे. बिल्कुल सही है. All right. So then, how long do I have to do this? Until it becomes a part of my unconscious competence. It becomes a part of my new nature. Becomes a part of my new habit. यहाँ पे मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? ये मैं एक्शन ले रहा हूँ उसको वहां तक पहुंचने के लिए. Until a time it becomes a part of my. This is बिल्कुल वैसी बात है कि जैसे मैं I'm learning how to drive. गाड़ी पहले आपको चलानी नहीं आती थी ना, right? Remember? Then you became conscious कि चलिए कि हाँ जी कि मुझे गाड़ी चलानी सीखनी है. तो यहाँ पे आप कॉन्शियसली गाड़ी चला, बिल्कुल अलर्ट होकर गाड़ी चला रहे थे, और अब तो आप निकलते हैं गाड़ी चला के घर पहुंच जाते, समझ नहीं आती ड्राइव किसने किया, घर भी पहुंच गया यार मैं तो, होता है ना ऐसे. तो क्या हो रहा है, वो ऑटो पायलट पे आप चल रहे हैं. सो एज वी आर सिटिंग ओवर हियर, देयर आर एरियाज इन विच वी आर unconscious, जो हमारी weaknesses हैं, and there are also areas in which there are our strengths. This is our areas which are already a part of our strong personality. So आप लोग अपनी माशाल्लाह, you are all in middle and senior management over here. So you have made good progress in your life. Must be because of some strengths that you have, right? But also at the same time, what is your future is to keep on overcoming the weakness areas that we have in our life. होता क्या है, when you go into higher management, So even a small little mistake will actually sort of like act as a barrier in our life. So what happens? अभी मैं इस level पे खड़ा हूँ मिसाल के तौर पे, अभी मैं इस level पे खड़ा हूँ, so some of my body parts are visible to you and some of my body parts are not visible to you because I'm at a lower level. Imagine कीजिए इसी pyramid के ऊपर कि I'm at a lower level over here, right? Okay. But as I go up higher in management, now what happens? The spotlight is on me now. Exposure is obvious. So more of my weaknesses and more of my strengths are also obvious. So let's say I have 99% strength and 1% weakness. What will people focus on?
Weaknesses.
My 1% weakness. दिल में मेरा है यार मेरी 1% weakness पे क्यों focus कर रहे हो? Why don't you focus on my strength? Hey, welcome to the real world, buddy. That's how it is. Survival of the fittest. So we need to keep on improving the areas with which we have to, and this is what is called a learning person or an evolving person. The moment we stop learning is the day we retire. So it's a constant learning experience. कई लोग कहते हैं नहीं यार मैंने तो सीख लिया जिंदगी में जो मैंने सीखना था अब तो हो गया और मैंने क्या करना है जिंदगी में नहीं यार come on we need to keep on applying for yourself. The reason I'm sharing this chart with you is that the feedback mechanism from other people is one of the best ways to learn. But the problem is acceptance is the problem of other people's feedback. अगर हमने progress करनी तो उसके लिए एक triple A formula अपने दिमाग में याद रखिए. What is the triple A formula? Very good.
Three chocolates.
Yeah, very good. Yeah. So there are the AAA formula is that I must be aware of what I need to do. All right. I must be aware, and then I must accept that I need to change this. If I don't accept, many people are aware. They are conscious of their awareness, but they're not. They will not accept it. नहीं यार नहीं मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ मैं किसी और तरह हूँ. Like इसलिए हम अपने आप को देख नहीं सकते ना. कोई bird eye view तो नहीं ना हमारे ऊपर जो हमको बता सकता है कि हम क्या चीज सही कर रहे हैं क्या गलत कर रहे हैं. All right? So acceptance. And then the third one is, if you accept it, then I will take action to improve also. This leadership evaluation form that we just filled out, page number 2 and 3, it is linked to this exercise. This is the theory, and that's the practical. So you answer some questions over there based on your own evaluation about your own self. Is this accurate? Is this accurate? ये exercise आपने की है. How accurate is this? Is this accurate?
We try to be honest.
You try to be honest.
Yes, definitely. Not certainly.
But you don't know. How can we verify this?
With our peers, giving us feedback on it.
Yeah, with your juniors. Asking them for a feedback. Example, Kareem, आपकी यहाँ पे 4
आ जाओगे.
नहीं यहाँ पे नहीं. Because this is a public program. But in an in-house program, in a customized program, this is what actually happens. Like everybody sits on something known as the hot seat. So you sit on a seat like this one in front of your people, and this is what I would recommend for each one of you to go back to your workplaces. कल मुझे लोगों ने पूछा आज बल्कि पूछा कि सर कि हम कैसे how can I learn more to be a better leader for my people? तो मैंने उससे ये बात की मैंने कहा यार ये लीडरशिप और ये मैनेजमेंट आप यहाँ के किसी ट्रेनिंग सेशन में आके नहीं सीख सकते हैं जितना अपने जूनियर से सीख सकते हैं हमारे जाके जितना आपके पास है नंबर ऑफ पीपल सो व्हाई डोंट यू गो बैक टू देम एंड सिट डाउन वो कहेंगे चलिए आप सर आप कल आप ट्रेनिंग कोर्स में गए हुए थे हाँ जी मैं गया हुआ था आओ ना जरा बैठ के बातें करते हैं जरा एंड गो ऑन लाइक गो आउट एंड अरेंज सम टी कॉफी और टेक देम आउट फॉर लंच और उनसे कहिए कि चलिए ये बताइए मुझे कि मुझे व्हाट चेंजेस डू आई नीड टू मेक इन माय सेल्फ How can I be a better leader? How can I facilitate? How can I coach you better? How can I help you better? That kind of approach. And you sit in that hot seat and you ask for a feedback. अब कुछ लोग नहीं बोलेंगे, शायद कोई भी ना बोले, आप फिर उनसे पूछेंगे फीडबैक, अच्छा मुझे फीडबैक दीजिए।
इनसे पूछे मैं बात बता
अगर ये आपके सामने नहीं बोल सकते तो फिर this is a big signal also. Right? ऐसा नहीं है हाँ खुले डुले आदमी तो भी तुमको लेके आओ यहाँ पे so yeah what I'm saying is कि यहाँ पे we need to have an open communication about these things if they are going to receive my feedback openly and honestly and do something about it then I must be leading by example to show them as an example कि I am also willing to your feedback as to what I need to improve they might be wrong but I need to capture their perceptions.
How do they feel about me?
How do they feel about you and what do they think about you? They might be mistaken, in which case there is a communication error. So this will give you areas to go in and to plug in. This might be a demotivating factor in their life or this must be one of the things which they are talking behind your back. So to bring about transparency and openness in a relationship, ये बड़ा जरूरी है कि हम ये एक्सरसाइज जरूर करें लोगों के सामने. अच्छा, if you are shy of sitting in a hot seat like this one, then page number 3 and 4 is the same exercise that you can give to them. Just take a look at page number 3. Take a look at page number 3. Page number 3 says, I think 4, sorry. Page number 4 says, yeah. Read the top. No. Read the instruction on the top.
As a part of my continuous learning exercise to improve my leadership style, may I please request you to answer the following questions to the best of your professional and personal judgment. I have to be honest.
ये आप सर्कुलेट कर रहे हैं. उनसे क्या है कि अगर आप इसको एनोनिमस रखते हैं एनोनिमस रख लें, जिसको अपने पेरेंट अपना नाम डाल लें नाम डाल लें, बट प्लीज फिल दिस आउट. So they'll fill out. Some people will be honest, some people will not be honest. But at least you will have some kind of comparison. आपकी अपनी perception क्या है और आपके juniors की perception क्या है आपके बारे में. This will become a very, very important thing. I think if you can go through this exercise, our time over here is well spent. Seriously, you know how long it takes for you to develop your own management and leadership style? Do you know how long it takes you to develop your own leadership and management style?
दूसरा जाना मुझे तो.
नहीं, मैं ट्रेनिंग की बात नहीं कर रहा.
It takes a moment.
How long it takes you to develop? होता ये कि we come into यहाँ पे देखें ना चार्ट पर. We come when we from a lower level we come into the middle management and we are in supervisory or managerial position. उस वक्त क्या होता है कि हमें नहीं पता था कि हमने क्या स्टाइल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट फॉलो करना है. तो कुछ अच्छी प्रैक्टिसेस, कुछ गंदी प्रैक्टिसेस जो पहले चल रही थी उसको हम अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं टू प्ले ऑन द सेफ साइड. हाँ यार, अब मैं मैनेजर हो गया, अब मुझे मैनेजर की तरह बिहेव करना है. सो लोग कॉपी पेस्ट करते हैं अपने स्टाइल्स को, इवन दो दे हैड सम बैड मैनेजर्स इन द पास्ट व्हिच दे डिड नॉट लाइक, बट दे एंड अप डूइंग द सेम थिंग्स देमसेल्व्स आल्सो, अनफॉर्चुनेटली. सो हाउ लॉन्ग डज इट टेक फॉर यू टू डेवलप योर ओन मैनेजमेंट एंड लीडरशिप स्टाइल?
The moment you
Think about it.
realize and we study triple impact.
Farhan?
The moment you start having your self review,
Yeah.
when you find yourself self evaluation,
Probably an example.
Yeah.
then you
Give me a number. Give me a time frame. It takes some time to develop your own leadership and management style.
140 days.
Days.
You're gonna form new habits. You're gonna as you said.
Days. आप आज मैनेजर बने पहली बार जिंदगी में, आपके नीचे 10 लोग हैं काम करने वाले. कितना टाइम लगेगा आपका अपना स्टाइल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट डेवलप करने में, जो कि कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं होगा बल्कि आपका यूनिक फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ योर ओन लीडरशिप. सीखते रहेंगे, बट आपका एक बेसिक जो है ना वो
day one.
उसी वक्त से start करें. It's a continuous process.
15 to 20 years.
Acceptance.
Years.
15 to 20 years. 10 to 15 years तो easily कहेंगे of management experience. So how can you expect कि बंदा जो है एकदम से मैनेजर बने तो आज he's going to be a perfect manager from day one? You will make mistakes. You will make mistakes. You will lose employees. You will lose good star performers. This is the reason why Nisar was asking here. लोग छोड़ जाते हैं, क्यों छोड़ जाते हैं? हाँ जी कि we need to have different hats of managing different people. We talked about manager A, we talked about manager B in the morning. So how do I develop my own style of management? So or leadership style, which is sort of like unshakable. You have full confidence in that leadership style. It takes a lot of years. Right? Performance appraisal cycles, different cultures, different people. So there are all sorts of variables which are at play over here also. So don't think actually we can become a good manager overnight. No way. So yes, some people say actually they are good managers. They are born, leaders are born and they're not made and so on and so forth. Why? Because they maybe have been following the right patterns of leadership right from the start. But unfortunately, in the field of sales, where most of us come from, if I was a good performer in my target, I was competing against my own colleagues, which made me into a star and an individual performer. what is going to happen? This is going to be a very strong barrier there, because I have to re-establish my own team spirit and my own developing people skills and so on and so forth. So it takes a little bit of a while, especially for sales people to develop their own sales leadership style. How effectively? Let me ask you a question. Who's your number 2? Who's your number 3? Did you receive any phone calls over here when you were in this training workshop for the last 2 days that somebody wanted some decisions? Why did they want your decisions? Why couldn't they take their own decisions? Example. All right? So this is what I'm saying. It takes you a little while. But who can you learn from? Your juniors.
10 to 15 years.
This is known as internationally, this is a benchmark about management and leadership.
Life expectancy over there is high, so they can.
नहीं लेकिन अगर ट्रेनिंग वगैरह में तो 15-20 साल जाया होने से बच जाएंगे।
मान लिया ट्रेनिंग तो आप आज भी अब 100 दिन की ट्रेनिंग ले रहे हैं आप, बट बात ये हो रही थी कि जी नॉलेज अलोन डज नॉट गारंटी सक्सेस। नॉलेज तो हर एक को आज के जमाने में एक्चुअली के व्हाट इज अ गुड मैनेजर एंड व्हाट इज अ बैड मैनेजर।
It takes 15 or 20 years of experimentation,
यस, थैंक यू।
feedback,
And also
results,
depends
in order for you to elevate yourself to that level.
Yeah. Number 1. Number 2, you can be very good in managing one industry, but if you move to another industry, if you cannot manage that, so we're not talking about your leadership style here, you're only specific to that particular industry. Hello. Same thing happens for that. आप कराची में ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं इस वक्त, आज जाएं जाके पेशावर में जाके ऑपरेट करें, क्या आपका सेम मैनेजमेंट स्टाइल चलेगा वहाँ पे? No, hello. All right. Go to Dubai. All right. Go to the US. So what we're talking about is the cross-cultural leadership skills requires diversified experiences of dealing with different people throughout. And that's not where you're headed. Now you're going to a cross-cultural, CPEC aa raha hai, ye ho raha hai, har tarah ke international companies are going to be coming in, more financial institutions are going to be coming in. Pakistan is projected to be one of the, is probably going to be like a petrochemical hub of the world in the next 20 years. So this means what? It's going to skyrocket. So this means what? We need to develop skills at an international level, not just at a local level. Interesting?
Yes. Pretty interesting.
Interesting? All right, okay. I don't mean to disappoint you. Alhamdulillah, आप लोग सारे अच्छे मैनेजर्स हैं भाई। और अब आप मुझे कहने की उम्र तो मुझे बात कर रहे हैं।
उम्र निकल गई।
I don't want to disillusion you. I want you to go back with a like, Tarzan, ये चीज़ें क्या नहीं है? बिल्कुल सही है. But we also need to call a spade a spade. We also need to call a spade a spade. Now, my concern for you is your future, not just today, how well you're operating today. Right? So there are people who are sort of like good leaders, and there are people who sort of like need to evolve in their leadership skills. And mashallah, you've done well. This is why you're sitting over here. This is why the company is spending so much money for you to be coming over here and to Sheraton Hotel and having this nice lunch and like, you know, and sitting in this 5-star hotel. Inshallah, you'll be traveling abroad also for these sort of things and so forth. But training alone will not help you to become a manager. No way. Practical experience, right? Right? But practical experience, not just जिसकी वजह से तुम लोगों को मैनेज कर ले तो सही तरह, है ना? So वो चीज़ समझ आएगी. So what I'm saying is it's a learning process, and you need to take that learning process to the next level by constantly evaluating yourself as to how I can improve further, and being open for a feedback from other people. इस पूरी समरी का ये है कि यही आपका टाइम है अपने आप को और खोलने का. कई लोग होते हैं जो अपने आप को शक करके वैसे जैसे मैनेजमेंट में आते हैं, they isolate themselves into their own shells, and that is not how sort of like we develop. So we have to, हाँ, आपका main job क्या है? Let's talk about that. Is it only to manage? We talked about this earlier. What is the manager's number 1 job?
Motivate.
Is to motivate the junior.
Yes.
That's your number 1 job. All right? To go beyond his own perceived ability. Even when he does not have faith in himself, you say, नहीं यार तुम कर सकते हो, मुझे तुम पे full यकीन है यार. All right? Manager B के characteristics क्या हैं? हम लोग आमतौर पे क्या करते हैं, जो ऊपर आते हैं वो मैनेजर A बने होते हैं कि चलिए everything you're sort of like coaching and helping people together, blah 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 blah. But the higher we go, the more people are going to come to us. If the more people are going to come to us, what's going to happen? We are going to be involved more in the operational details of the organization, occupied in those, crisis management, and so on and so forth. What is going to suffer? Planning is going to suffer. Your research is going to suffer. Your R&D is going to suffer. So ideally, about 60-40 ratio we talked about to start with. You need to be 40% involved in the operational details, and then train your people to take your place.
Delegate.
Delegate and to take your place.
Yeah.
That is going to be the interesting part. How well you're going to manage this. So the same chart is over here also. The stages of learning, unconscious incompetence. So the lights are there. You are unaware of the skill and you lack proficiency. Which is, I am not aware of my own incompetence. And then I move to the conscious incompetence, which is you are aware, but you are not yet proficient in this area. Alright? And then from here, you are able to use the skill, but only with a little bit of effort. आप driving सीख रहे हैं, लेकिन बड़े effort से consciously सीख रहे हैं. या कोई नई skill आ गई है. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? कि देखिए अब आप it's a part of your nature, you're performing the skill without any effort. Like auto system चल पड़ा आपका. So this is the important part. कि here a child is learning how to walk and he walks over here and now he's flying. So that's where you are headed towards, to develop your own leadership style and to your own management style. अब आगे थोड़ी सी तरह बात की पर there is a concept called हमने एक बात करनी थी how do we, किसी ने सवाल किया था, how do you motivate the people? How do you motivate your juniors? How do you motivate your sales people? So let's focus on those issues.